Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make guacamole because I feel like it and because it's summer and I always connect guacamole with summer for some weird reason. So let's get to it. For our guacamole we will need 3 ripe avocados, a bunch of cilantro or coriander, a ripe jalapeño. I left mine a bit too long so it changed color and it got all wrinkly, but hey, it's still tasty and hot, that's the most important part. A ripe tomato, the juice of 1 lime, 1 medium to small onion, salt and pepper. Now we will use the power of technology and chop it all up. Ta-da! Now it's time to mix all the ingredients together. And now we mash it. I like my guacamole to be a bit chunky, so that's why I chopped up the tomatoes a bit roughly, because I like to taste the different veggies that are in it. Now I add the salt and the pepper. Give it a nice stir. And we're done. Nice and hot. Well, that was it for my guacamole. I would be very curious to see how you make it and if you have some tips and tricks how to make it better or different. See you again next week. And thanks again for watching and bye!